Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a one-page documentation using the EazyDocs Pro plugin. And we will look at EazyDocs Classic Layout and Full Screen Layout. The Classic Layout is traditional for documentation, with a navigation menu on the left and the document content on the right. Perfect for easy browsing and quick navigation. Full Screen Layout is a completely minimal design where users can read content in a distraction-free interface. First, make sure you have both the EazyDocs Free and EazyDocs Pro plugins installed and activated on your WordPress site. You can create a one-page doc in two ways. You can create doc from Doc Builder, and you can create new doc from OnePage Docs and customize them. From Select Layout, you can choose Classic One-Page Doc or Full Screen One-Page Doc. Right sidebar has content type reusable blocks, normal content, and doc sidebar, and left sidebar has reusable blocks and normal content. You can customize these if you want. Click Make One-Page Doc, select Full Screen One-Page Doc right sidebar, reusable blocks, then create pattern. For example, I have created 2 buttons in the block. Then click on the Publish button. Then click on View One-Page Doc and you will see 2 buttons. Next, ensure that you have already created documentation pages. As you can see, I have some existing documentation here. To create a one-page documentation, go to the OnePage Docs menu and click on Add One-Page Doc. Now, select the documentation you want to convert. For example, I'll choose the Simple User Guide. After that, choose a layout for your one-page documentation. I'll select the Classic One-Page Doc layout. Once everything is set, click Publish. Now that the one-page documentation is published, let's take a look at the layout. On the left sidebar, you can display navigation links. On the right sidebar, you can add custom content. For example, I'll add a button to the right sidebar. The content section allows both HTML and Gutenberg blocks. I'll insert a simple button named Click Here. After updating and refreshing the page, the button appears on the right sidebar. Now, let's add a custom-designed button using the Gutenberg button block. First, design the button in the Gutenberg editor. Then, switch to Code Editor View and copy the button's code. Finally, paste the code into the right sidebar content area and update the page. Now, as you can see, the custom Gutenberg button is displayed correctly in the sidebar. If you want to keep doc in the right sidebar, you need to go to Settings and enable the Widgets area option of the right sidebar. After that, go to the Widgets option of Appearance. Here you can add doc as you wish. We have added a calendar here. After that, go to OnePage Docs, click on the Edit option, select Doc from the right sidebar and update it. Then, if we click on View, we will see the calendar displayed on the right sidebar. You can design anything effortlessly using Gutenberg blocks and seamlessly integrate the Gutenberg code into regular content.